The big man talks. Are we poisoning ourselves on a daily basis? We are the authors of our own lives. We do give a thought when we hear the above statement, but we hardly perceive what it really means. In fact, life is all about creating a positive impact in others' life and trying to achieve happiness through imparting love to others. The truth is that happiness is a choice, and a happy mind is always satisfied. Satisfaction comes with fulfillment of desire. Desires start pumping in our mind since the first day we are born. The desire of being cherished in the family, the desire of being the smartest kid around. All of these desires trigger blissful thoughts which fuels emotions. But the real problem arises when we keep increasing our desires without really working on them. And it is a fact that we cannot taste everything at first. So whenever we try to start a new project, a chapter or a phase in our lives, we are bound to face some difficulties. Now this triggers stressful thoughts in our mind which fuels fearful emotions. Now our brain is very smart. It again fiddles with some chemicals in our body and tries to devise an easier path which would require a lot less effort. Thus, we leave the task behind, but what we are not able to leave are those desires which keep piling at the back of our heads. But when this becomes a real problem, this when done on a daily basis stacks the brain with unfulfilled desires which further leads to dissatisfaction and unhappiness. This vicious cycle is no less than a poison. Now, when we do this on a daily basis, we are actually building up a bad habit. Bad habits, though easy to build, are difficult to break. They may seem harmless at first and also appear good with some dopamine release. They are actually detrimental in the long run. Now, when we limit ourselves to the comfort zone, we are not heading towards our dreams. We aren't much thoughtful about it then, but when we look back in the past, we feel discontented by noticing the opportunities that was right before us. Still, we fail to transform it into something big. Procrastination is nothing but a slow poison. Thus, a man who is buried at 80 might be dead at 28. Well, don't get stressed. We do have a solution for you. According to a very famous proverb, every man has two lives. The second one starts when he realizes he has only one. So start doing now. A man feels pure bliss at 60 when he realizes he hasn't carried a single burden of regret through his 40s. Never be afraid of failure. Spend more time with the problems while trying to resolve them. When you go back to your bed, make sure that you don't have any regrets. It does not matter